welcome back to another Vlogmas day. It's your girl Miss Mwikali aka Yellow Yellow. To join the Yellow Yellow squad, please click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so as you get notified once I upload a new video. So guys, today it's going to be roughly, I'll be cleaning my bedroom, so I just want us to, it's going to be a vlog. Let's just see how it's going to turn out, the events, the way they're going to turn out, and I hope guys you're going to enjoy it. And don't forget to suggest down below the kind of videos you want to see from me. Yes, before we start cleaning, I want to prepare something quick I eat because it's around 9 in the morning and I'm super hungry guys, like super hungry. I don't know why, but I'm really super hungry. So I want to prepare a certain recipe I saw on TikTok. Actually, if you saw my smoky roll, the same person who had prepared the smoky roll is the same person I saw this recipe from. So without much talking, let's just start the preparation. So guys, these were the ingredients. There was bread, there was an onion and tomatoes and eggs. But there was also cheese, but me I don't have cheese, so I'm going to do my recipe without cheese. We just see how it's going to turn out because I need to check something quick, yeah, before I start the cleaning process, because actually guys I'm super hungry. So guys, I will start the preparation to be very quick. Wacha tuone kama itatokea hivyo. Let me start by putting the eggs here. Guys, we're done with the mixture. That was step 1. Yeah, to make the mixture like that. Let me just show you closely how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix it like that. Don't worry, my nyanya some are big. The first ones nilikatakata sijui aje. I didn't do them into perfection. This is not a tutorial, I'm just making breakfast with you guys actually. So let's go to the next step. I will be showing you in a few. Not what we need. So guys, I'm going to try to last time. I hope you're going to cover my face. We'll see in the background. That's a heavy and stronger. Oh yeah. I feel bad guys. I hope this one won't backfire. Crossing my fingers, crossing my fingers. So we have this one. It looks yummy. This one at least I could backfire. The first one. This one also did not backfire. The second one did chana. This one. I don't know when those nyanyas are visible. Yeah, and the last one, the down one, is also perfect. So I'm going definitely to taste. I'm going to take yeah, that's what I'm going to take for breakfast together with tea. Then we start the arrangement process. So guys, I'd already started the tasting behind the cameras. Okay guys, not bad for the first time, but I think my pan is the problem before when we come to myself, because that pan is normally heavy. Like heat in a heat haraka, even if I keep on regulating the heat. So I still need to work on the pan. The next thing, if I'm trying this out, I should have cheese. Yeah, but let me just taste it for you guys. Imagine it's not bad. It's not bad, guys. It's well cooked, despite what we say. It's very nice, actually. I like it. Guys, it's not bad. It's actually very nice. Despite ile trouble nimepitia kupika, this was the perfect one. No. Let me give a thumbs up to myself. So let me enjoy my breakfast. Then after this, let me see, what am I going to do? Yeah, after this, I have to organize my room. Where under my bed area, I need to change my beddings. Yeah, so it will just be basically making the room. Yeah, and I hope guys you enjoying this video. You know, it's Vlogmas. I'm just showing you like kind of my daily routine. Is it daily routine? Like today I'm not at work, so I'm at home. Definitely, this is how I'm spending my day. Kujipea tu shughuli kwenye tuko. Yeah, so guys, it's cleaning day. Just going to fungua dirisha. I want fresh air to get in, guys. Yeah, and don't judge my bed. When I woke up, Milena took to prepare breakfast. Yeah, and so I want to change the bedding. Let me just show you a pair of beddings that I got from Mini Chick. Actually, it's so beautiful. Let me just show you in a few. So guys, we are now done with that. Yeah, let's put better. And actually, I feel like moving back to sleep. Yeah.